Ouch! Cactus spines happen. It's a common mishap, especially for those who love gardening or exploring the great outdoors. Have you ever brushed against a cactus? If you have, you know it can be a painful experience. The sharp needle-like spines can pierce your skin in an instant, causing immediate discomfort. Cacti are beautiful plants, but they have those sharp spines for a reason, to protect themselves. These spines are their natural defense mechanism against herbivores and other threats. It's easy to accidentally get too close and end up with spines stuck in your skin. Whether you're gardening, hiking, or just admiring a cactus up close, a moment of inattention can lead to a painful encounter. But don't worry, I'm here to help you get them out safely and easily. The first step is to stay calm. Panicking can make the situation worse. Remember, even small spines can cause irritation and discomfort. They can be tricky to see and even trickier to remove, but with patience, you can do it. It's important to remove them as soon as possible to avoid any potential problems. Leaving them in can lead to infection or prolonged irritation. With a little knowledge and the right approach, you can handle cactus spine encounters like a pro. Use tweezers to carefully pull out the larger spines. For smaller hair-like spines, try using adhesive tape to lift them out gently. Always clean the area with soap and water afterward to prevent infection. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be for your next cactus encounter. Before we start removing those pesky spines, let's talk about the different types you might encounter. Some cacti have large, thick spines that are easy to see and remove. Others have tiny, hair-like spines called glochids that can be trickier to deal with. Glochids are barbed and can easily break off in your skin, causing itching and irritation. Knowing what you're dealing with will help you choose the best removal method. For larger spines, a good pair of tweezers is your best friend. These spines can be quite stubborn and difficult to remove, so having the right tool is essential. Choose tweezers with a fine tip for better grip and control. The fine tip allows you to get a firm hold on the spine without slipping, making the removal process smoother and less painful. Before you begin, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to prevent infection. Clean hands are crucial because any dirt or bacteria on your hands can enter the wound and cause complications. Then, use the tweezers to gently grasp the base of the spine as close to your skin as possible. This ensures that you have a secure grip and reduces the risk of the spine breaking off during removal. Pull the spine straight out in the direction it entered your skin. This method minimizes damage to the surrounding tissue and makes the removal process more efficient. Don't twist or jerk the spine, as this can cause it to break off. A broken spine can be more difficult to remove and may require medical intervention. If the spine is deeply embedded, don't force it. Seek medical attention to avoid further injury. A healthcare professional can use specialized tools and techniques to safely remove the spine without causing additional harm. After successfully removing the spine, it's important to clean the area with an antiseptic. This helps to prevent any potential infections and promotes faster healing. Finally, apply a bandage to protect the area from dirt and bacteria. Keeping the wound covered will help it heal more quickly and reduce the risk of infection. Taking these steps ensures that you can safely and effectively remove large cactus spines, allowing you to get back to your day with minimal discomfort. Those tiny glochids can be a real pain, literally. These minuscule spines, often found on cacti, are not just a nuisance, but can cause significant discomfort. They are so small that they can be hard to see with the naked eye, making them even more challenging to deal with. Because they're so small and barbed, they can be difficult to remove with tweezers. The barbs make them cling to your skin, and using tweezers can sometimes push them in deeper, causing more irritation and pain. That's where glue comes in handy. Apply a thin layer of white school glue or rubber cement to the affected area. This method is particularly effective because the glue seeps into the tiny spaces around the spines, ensuring a better grip. Let the glue dry completely, then gently peel it off in the direction of hair growth. This is crucial because peeling against the direction of hair growth can cause more irritation and might leave some spines behind. The glue will trap the glochids and pull them out as it dries. This method is not only effective, but also minimizes the risk of breaking the spines, which can make them even harder to remove. You can also use adhesive tape for this method. Simply press a piece of tape firmly over the area and peel it off quickly. This method works similarly to the glue, but it's quicker and can be more convenient if you're in a hurry. Repeat as needed until most of the glochids are gone. Sometimes it might take a few tries to get all the spines out, especially if they are deeply embedded. Be patient and gentle to avoid further irritation. If you find that some spines are still stuck, you might want to try soaking the area in warm water to soften the skin, making it easier to remove the remaining spines. After successfully removing the spines, it's important to clean the area thoroughly to prevent any potential infection. Use an antiseptic wipe or wash the area with soap and water. Applying a soothing lotion or aloe vera can also help reduce any lingering irritation. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. When handling cacti, always wear thick gloves and long sleeves to protect your skin from these pesky spines. But if you do get pricked, now you know exactly how to handle it. With these simple yet effective methods, you can easily get rid of those tiny spines and get back to enjoying your day pain-free. Section 5. Don't make it worse. Common spine removal mistakes. When it comes to cactus spines, it's important to avoid making the situation worse. One common mistake is trying to remove spines with your fingers. This can actually push them deeper into your skin and increase the risk of infection. Another mistake is using a magnifying glass to see the spines better. While this may seem helpful, the sun's rays can actually magnify the heat and cause burns on your skin. Stick to well-lit areas and avoid direct sunlight. Section 6. Prevention is key staying safe around cacti. The best way to deal with cactus spines is to avoid getting them in the first place. When you're around cacti, be mindful of your surroundings. Wear long pants and sleeves to protect your skin. Keep a safe distance and avoid brushing up against the plants. If you're hiking in an area with cacti, let someone know your plans and bring a first aid kit just in case. Remember, a little caution goes a long way. Section 7. Know your limits. When to call a doctor. While most cactus spine encounters can be handled at home, there are times when it's best to seek medical attention. If you have a large spine deeply embedded in your skin, or if you experience excessive bleeding, swelling, or signs of infection, don't hesitate to see a doctor. It's also important to seek medical attention if you've been poked in or near your eye, or if you experience any allergic reactions. Your health is always the top priority. Section 8. Respect the cactus, respect yourself. Cacti are fascinating and beautiful plants, but it's important to treat them with respect. Remember that those spines are there for a reason, to protect the plant. By admiring cacti from a safe distance and taking precautions to avoid contact, you can enjoy their beauty without experiencing the pain of their defenses. Remember, a little respect goes a long way in nature. Section 9. A little knowledge goes a long way. Knowing how to deal with cactus spines is a valuable skill, especially if you live in or visit areas where these plants are common. By following the tips and techniques outlined in this guide, you can feel confident and prepared to handle any unexpected encounters. Remember to stay calm, be patient, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Section 10. Stay safe and enjoy the great outdoors. Cactus spines are just one of the many things to be aware of when exploring the great outdoors. By being prepared and informed, you can minimize risks and maximize your enjoyment of nature's wonders. So get out there, explore, and have fun, but remember to stay safe. And always remember, when in doubt, consult with a medical professional. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos.